नमस्ते दोस्तों। आज मैं दिखाता हूँ कि कैसे हार्ड रीसेट और फैक्ट्री रीसेट। First, we need to power off the mobile phone. Tap on power off, press and hold power button, then you will get this option to power off. Then press and hold volume down and power button together for couple of seconds. Press and hold volume down and power button together for couple of seconds. Done. Then in this screen we need to select language. Tap on English. Now we are in Realme UI recovery mode. Here select wipe data. Then enter this pin 1926. Here you can see two options, wipe data and format data. You can use wipe data option if you want to fix any app related issues or if you want to delete all app data. So we are going to hard reset or factory reset, so we need to select this second option, format data. So you can see this option delete all user data including contacts, messages, photos, videos and other files. So it format your phone memory. So please take the backup of your phone memory before trying this format option because it delete all data. So we can use this option if you want to remove virus from your mobile phone or if you want to remove pattern or password lock, or if you are planning to sell your mobile phone. In that situation you need to delete all data, so you can use this option to delete all data from your phone memory. So this option will not touch your memory card or SD card, so it format only the phone memory. So please take the backup of phone memory. So let me select format. Now it's formatting, please wait. Okay, done. Then tap on OK. Now it rebooting, please wait. So here select language, then tap on next, tap on next again. So we need internet connection, so we need to connect to Wi-Fi, or we can use SIM which has internet connection. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi network, enter Wi-Fi password here, then tap on join. Now it's connected, then tap on next. Now it's checking for updates. Here select don't copy. So here we need to enter Gmail ID and log into Google account. If you want to skip this step, you can see skip option here. So let me tap on skip. I am going to skip this Google account login step. Then tap on skip again. Then tap on accept, agree, tap on later, then tap on next, later, then skip this, then tap on get started, done. So this way we can hard reset or factory reset. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.